Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Pad 3D, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages we should have a power saver toggle. For me it is right over here on the second page. So once you see it, you can simply tap on it. And as you can see, it enables dark mode right here and also turns the filling of the battery to green to signify that it is right now running. And you can obviously see it being light up right here. And if we go into settings, you can also see the dark mode throughout the entire system. So there we go. Now there is probably something that's going to be happening with power saving mode, which isn't mentioned right here. Let's see if we hold it, will it say anything? So here we have battery saver basically can be turned on a schedule when it's at 30% or lower, when charging. Oh, there we go. We have this gray text right here. So battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activity, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connectivity. Now, out of this entire message, this part right here is the most important, the some network connectivity. It's super vague what it does, so I can explain what typically happens. So some network connectivity, what it means is that when you're not using your device, it will just straight up disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using it. So if you lock it like so and just stop using the tablet for like 10 minutes, it goes into sleep mode to preserve battery, turns off Wi-Fi, turns off mobile data, and because of that you're not going to be getting any kind of notifications from any application that requires either one of those, basically an internet connection. So there's also two options to this. Either it will reconnect to network every like 10-20 minutes or so to see if it's missing something and then deliver notifications in bulk, or it's just not going to do it till you interact with the device, so unlock it. And sometimes you might need to even open up things like, for instance, your emails to see if you have any new emails, which will automatically trigger the fetching process and then give it to you. So if this is something that you have a problem with and it's happening on your device, just know that this is the power saving mode trying to save power. Anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, you want to turn it off. You can either charge the device and it will turn off, or you can just click on the toggle yourself and it will disable it. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.